Hey friends, how are you? I am a student from Barrientos Acjuta, and I am accompanied by my classmate Abraham Boza Taipe, and we are Senati students. This project is guided by our instructor Johnny Manrique Vargas. Well, in this video, we are going to introduce you to a small animal in danger of extinction. And the animal is the Peruvian Andean cat. Let's look at it. This animal seems adorable, but it's not. It is wild and aggressive. Well, I am going to tell you a little about him. The Andean cat, Leopardo jacobita, is the most threatened and less known feline in our country. It inhabits about 3,600 meters above sea level. In some scattered areas of Peru, Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile, in our country. It is found mainly in rocky areas with scarce vegetations from Ancash to Tacna, where its main prey, the Vizcacha, also live. An individual can weigh between 4 and 6 kilograms. It has a gray coat with brown hellowfish spots and a very long and thick tail with well-marked rings. For the Aymara and Quechua peoples, the Andean cat is a symbol of fertility and has been associated with the spirit of the mountain and water. The Andean cat population in Peru are threatened mainly by the loss and degradation of their habitat and by illegal hunting. For these reasons, it is included in appendices of the CITES.
Good morning, teacher. I am the student Eric Tere, and today I am going to talk about the characteristic. 1. Coat color predominantly as gray with reddish yellowish brown spots arranged vertically on both sides of the body, giving the appearance of continuous strips. 2. Tail length very long, presenting between 66 and 75% of the length of the head and the body. 3. Tail shape thick and cylindrical with unfelted appearance. 4. Tail rings 6 to 9 broad dark brown to black rings. 5. Pattern of legs. They have thinner dark bands or spots, but do not form complete rings. Threats. The main threats to the species include 1. Degradation and loss of habitat due to climate change. 2. Opportunistic accidental hunting, traditional hunting, and hunting for prey. 3. Irresponsible pet ownership, predatory dogs, and potential transmission of diseases.
I am Abraham Boza Taipe. I am going to talk to you about alimentation. My indeed, it feeds on small and medium-sized rodents, such as the Vizcacha, Lagostomus maximus, which constitutes 94% of its diet. other rodents. They also consume chinchillas and other rodents. Other food sources. It feeds on aquatic and terrestrial birds, eggs, and reptiles. Protection methods. Create reserves and national park to preserve the habitat of the Andean cat. Implement monitoring and surveillance programs to detect and prevent poaching. Carry out studies to determine the population and distribution of the Andean cat. Educate local communities about the importance of protect the Andean cat and habitat. Work with international organizations that protect the Andean cat and its habitat.
Hello again, friends. We have reached the end of the video. I hope I have achieved my objective with my friends, and I will only say that the extinction of a species like the Andean cat is an irresponsible loss in the mosaic of life. Each living being contributes to the balance of the ecosystems, and its disappearance leaves an irreversible void. It is our responsibility to protect biodiversity, not only to maintain this balance, but also to honor the beauty of creation. Every action, decision, and choice can bring us closer to conservation or extinction. Let's reflect on our impact on the planet and its inhabitants. Let's take concrete measures to protect life in all its forms. Together, we can make a difference.